Hello again, I'm Mel. If you're new, this is a channel that aims to help all of you write better. I have created another video for this email writing series. So, from the salutation and the opening paragraph, we'll move on to the last two parts of an email: the body and the closing, or the sign-off. But first, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe and like buttons now. I have lined up great topics for you here. Don't miss to watch any of those. Alright, so let's start. Did you know that most people receive tens of emails a day on average? Which should make you ask yourselves these questions before sending any emails. Is it better communicated via phone call or face-to-face meeting? Like bad news. Does it contain sensitive or personal information that can come back to haunt anyone? Is anything you or the subject of your email wouldn't like to see going the rounds in your office, or God forbid, outside in the world for everyone to see? Will this need back and forth emailing? That would be a waste of time. You had better go to that person directly and state what your concern is. Last one, can it be construed differently? Or does it express what you intend to say? Does your email feel right to the intended receiver? If you think it doesn't, then you will have to rewrite it, or maybe not send that email at all. Your email is a reflection of your professionalism or the lack of it. So let's have the pointers for a good body paragraph of an email. Clear and concise. Direct to the point. Remember, nobody has time to read long emails. Tone appropriate. Which is nothing but the polite tone. Clear on action. The receiver has to know what action is expected of him or her. It's whether to reply, send the report by a certain time or day, not reply, and so on. Error-free. Professional is error-free. Proofread your email before hitting send. A quick note on the sign-off. When writing a formal email, it also has to be formal. You can copy this format. And here are the most common ways to sign off our formal emails. And here's an example of a proper sign-off. This is what I'll do. I'll finish some of the emails covered in the first two parts of this series. And here's the first one. The next email will show you how to do it when you have to give the steps of a process. And that is using a numbered list. It's important for readability. Your email has to be easy on the eyes, not cluttered or have long paragraphs that are just hard to follow. Look at this. Let's have another email. As shown, for emails that are time sensitive, it's best to set the proper time expectations. I love giving more, not less. So here's more. So we could list by specific point or use bullets for types or options. Don't be bored yet. I still have 3 more. And here they are. Have you received emails like this? Looks like an empty email. And actually, it is. So what does EOM mean? Yeah, you read it right. The subject line is the whole message. No need to write anything else. I guess we pretty much have everything covered with this series. Please leave comments or suggestions below if there are things I have missed. See you on the next video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for watching.